I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. I pray to Almighty to offer blessings to all of you and fulfill all your wishes. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Libra horoscope for the month of August 2025. And during the month of August, there will be very important transit of Sun. And Sun is going to form conjunction with Ketu in its own house of Leo. And in this video, we are going to discuss its impact on different aspects of your life. Let's first understand what will be the impact of all these planetary position on your career during the month of August, which brings a dynamic yet challenging phase in your professional life. With Jupiter and Mercury forming a conjunction in Gemini, as you can see in the ninth house of fortune and higher wisdom, you may find yourself drawn towards intellectual pursuits, higher learning, or foreign collaborations. This is a favorable time for students, teachers, writers, and those in the fields of law, consulting, or international businesses. You are likely to receive support from mentors or senior figures, especially in the first half of the month. However, Saturn, which is currently transiting in the house of Pisces, as you can see here, continues to exert its slow moving pressure in your sixth house of competition, daily work, and service. While you may feel overburdened with responsibilities or under pressure to meet deadlines, this placement also offers an opportunity to prove your diligence and capability. Persistence and hard work will be your allies. Avoid shortcuts as Saturn ensures that only consistent effort will bring rewards. The presence of Rahu in the fifth house in Aquarius, as you can see here, may incline you toward unconventional or risky ideas at work. So be little careful. While innovation is welcome, be cautious about over promising or presenting half formed plans, especially if you are in a marketing, speculative trades, or media. The desire to outperform or gain quick recognition could backfire if not balanced with strategy. A major shift occurs post 16th of August as the Sun enters Leo and form conjunction with Ketu and Venus in your 11th house of gains, network and social recognition. While this transit is powerful for achieving visibility and receiving support from social circle, the Ketu influence may make you feel internally detached or dissatisfied with recognition or rewards. There could be moments where you question the purpose behind your professional efforts or feel unappreciated. After 28th of August, as Venus move into Virgo, its sign of debilation, your charm and diplomatic approach may temporarily falter. Workplace relationship might experience strain, and you should guard against criticism or misunderstandings, especially with female colleagues or superiors. Creative professionals might feel blocked or uninspired briefly. Overall, August is a month of progress, but only through disciplined effort and inner clarity. Avoid distraction, focus on long term vision, and maintain professionalism. So, that was all about your career. Now, let's move forward and discuss about your finances during this month. Financially, the month begins with optimism as Jupiter and Mercury in Gemini support gains through wise decision making and intellectual ventures. Those dealing in communication, education, publishing, or international trade may find new avenues for income. However, with Saturn's ongoing scrutiny over your sixth house, debts, loans, and liabilities need careful handling. Avoid taking fresh loans unless absolutely necessary. The Sun's movement into the 11th house post 16th can bring income opportunities through social networks or government sources. But with Ketu also present, there is a risk of missed opportunities due to poor communication or ego clashes. Speculative gains should be avoided, especially post 28th, when Venus becomes weak in Virgo, impacting luxury expenses and discretionary spending. You may need to support siblings or friends financially during this time. Make informed decisions, avoid impulsive purchases, and consider revisiting your investment portfolio. So that was all about your finances. Now let's move forward and discuss about your health during this month. Health demands attention this month due to Saturn's transit in the 6th house and Venus debilation after 28th of August. Stress, overwork and anxiety can affect your digestion and sleep patterns. Those with chronic ailments like diabetes, hypertension or gastrointestinal issues need to monitor health closely. Infections related to the skin, throat or urinary tract could arise, especially in humid or unhygienic environment. Hydration, hygiene and a balanced diet are crucial. After mid-month when Sun transit Leo, you might feel low in vitality or experience irritability or headache due to internal heat. Regular physical activity, mindfulness, and adequate rest will help maintain balance. So that was all about your health. Now let's move forward and discuss about your love and romance life. Romantic life for Libras natives this month may feel confusing or emotionally distant. The conjunction of Ketu and Venus in your 11th house can create misunderstanding or detachment in love relationship. You may crave connection but feel dissatisfied with existing dynamics or unsure about your partner's emotional involvement. If you are single, a new connection could emerge through social media or friend circles, but clarity will be lacking after 28th of August. As Venus weakens in Virgo, romantic conversations may feel dry or overly critical. Avoid being too analytical or dismissive of your partner's feelings. So it was all about your love and romance life. Now let's move forward and discuss about your family life during this month. If we talk about your family life, it will be a mixed bag this August. In the early half of the month, your connection with siblings and elders will be positive, especially in matters of guidance or shared responsibilities. Jupiter and Mercury support healthy dialogues and mentorship within the family structure. However, Ketu Sun Venus combination in your 11th house post 16th can cause emotional distance or ideological rifts, particularly with elder siblings or in laws. You may feel unsupported or experience coldness in familial bonds. Children may also require extra attention, especially around their studies or behavioral patterns influenced by Rahu in Aquarius. Domestic expenses may rise due to health issues or some renovation or travel. Avoid bringing professional stress into your home as tension may impact your peace of mind. Emotional maturity, calm communication, and quality time spent with family members will help resolve most issues. Be mindful of elders' health, particularly from 28th onwards. So that was all about your family life during the month of August. Now let's move forward and discuss about those most important remedies that is going to help you during this month. Offer water mixed with jaggery to the sun every morning. Keep a small silver piece in your wallet or purse to balance Venus energy and attract harmony in relationships. Avoid eating too much salt on Fridays and donate white items like rice or milk to the needy to reduce Venus related imbalances. Chant or silently recite Om Sham Shanishcharai Namaha daily to ease Saturn's burdens and overcome work related pressure. Light a diya lamp with mustard oil on Saturday evening under a peepal tree or in a quiet place and sit in silence for few minutes. So that was all about the Libra horoscope for the month of August 2025. May Almighty bless you always and thanks for watching the video.